Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, a friend gave me some Eddoes. What is Eddoes? Eddoes is a type of root vegetable. It's closely related to taro. And I'm going to be making a gluten-free Eddoes flatbread. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have about 5 Eddoes here in this bowl. So I'm going to peel it and then I'm going to steam my Eddoes. So let's head over to the sink so we can get this peeled and ready for steaming. Right, so I'm just gonna peel the rest of the Eddoes and I'm gonna cut it up smaller so it will steam faster. So guys, I'm going to be steaming my Eddoes. This is my steaming setup. So I have a pot here with some water. I have, this is really a basket for straining pasta. I'm using that as my steaming basket. And I'm going to cover the Eddoes so it will steam until it gets nice and soft. The reason why I'm steaming instead of boiling is because steaming is a better way to go in that it retains more nutrients as opposed to boiling. Because if you boil, then a lot of your nutrients can leach into that water and then you throw out the water. So it's like you're throwing away your nutrients. But when you steam, it retains more of the nutrients. So that's why I'm choosing to steam my Eddoes. Okay guys, so our Eddoes, we have finished steaming our Eddoes. It's nice and soft. So I'm just going to mash it now. Alright, so now that our Eddoes is mashed, what I'm going to do, sprinkle a little bit of salt on it just to season the Eddoes a bit. So I'm just sprinkling some salt on it. So the Eddoes gets its own seasoning because I am going to put some salt in the flour. So this is a nice way, guys, of incorporating your ground provisions in your flatbreads. On my YouTube channel, there's a playlist for flatbread recipes, and you would see I have a number of different things that I would add to my flatbreads. Okay, so this is ready. So let's now switch out. We're going to be now adding everything to our bowl. Alright, so to make our flatbread, we're going to be using this gluten-free flour here, Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 flour blend. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of this. Alright, I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt. Now this is optional, but I'm going to also put a teaspoon of sugar, but I'm going to be using jaggery powder in my case. I say optional because you don't have to put it, but I like to balance salt with sweet. So 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm also going to be using a 1/4 cup of ghee, or you can use oil. Preferably coconut oil. Actually, I'm going to use this spoon to kind of mix everything together before I use my hands. All right, we're gonna scrape in our mashed Eddoes. Right. Actually, no, I should use my other hand because this is the hand I'm going to be putting inside of here. Now we're just going to squeeze everything together. Combine everything. We have to add water, but before I add the water, I want to make sure that I mix everything in. So I'm squeezing in order to help mix everything. Okay, so now I'm going to slowly add in my water so that we can get this combined. Here, but let's see, is this enough to, I think this is good. I don't think I need to add any more water to this. I think this is holding its shape nicely. I can form it into the balls, as you can see. So let's see at the bottom here. Yeah, I think or maybe I should put just a little, you know, I'll just put a little wee bit more. Right? I think that's it there. I don't think I need to add it. Right? So now we can simply pinch off pieces and we're gonna form it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna rest my balls on this plate here that I have at the side here. Right? All right, so I'm gonna get to forming the balls and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have my tortilla press here. I have cut out my gallon freezer bag here so that I can use it in order to press out my flatbread. So you just put your ball in the middle and then we press it down. I can press it a little more. All right, let's head over now to cook our flatbread. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil on my hot plate here. Spread it around. So guys, I'm curious to know, what dish would you pair this flatbread with? Please let me know in the comments below and, you know, add your suggestions. Also, let me know, would you try this Eddoes flatbread? Please leave your answer in the comments below.